on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown.
Hello all and welcome back. Today I am at Amnico, I believe is how it's pronounced, State Park in Wisconsin. Yep, you heard me right, I'm in Wisconsin. For those of you that follow me on Instagram at MyEmptyNestQuest, you will see that I left Sidney Sugar. Sure did. I'll explain all in just a little bit. And I'll explain to you a little bit about the job. That way you know if it's suited for you. Let me take these off. Whew. So I'm here today and I'm going to explore this park, and I hope you guys enjoy the waterfall footage. It is very crowded here today. I had to pick up a truck. Oh, I'm back to transporting, by the way. So I had to pick up a truck. This thing is driving me crazy. Don't even get me started with the mask thing, okay? But anyway, I had to pick up a truck in Duluth, and I delivered it. I had to come back to Duluth to pick up another one, and I didn't make it in time, so I got stuck here over the weekend. And for some reason, everybody flocks this way, I guess, at this time of the year to see the fall colors. I'm not even exaggerating. Every single hotel within a 2-mile radius was booked. So I had to stay in this rental car all weekend, and it rained Saturday, and Sunday it's not raining and it's sunny, and like everyone and their brother is out at these parks. So I'm going to try to get some footage. You guys know I'm not real comfortable yet with shooting stuff around people, and my self-confidence has really took a blow the last year, and I'm even less confident to do something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy what I do get. All right, about the job. I left the job mainly because of personal reasons. I'm not going to go into the personal reasons. It was just very hard for me to stay there because of the personal reasons that I was going through. I'm going to leave it at that. About the job. The job is on rotating shift. Days, swings, and graves. Every week you change. You work 7 days, get 2 off, work 7 days, get 2 off, work 7 days, get 3 off. It is a union job. So you're hired through express employment. They bring you in, but as soon as you do orientation, you are a Sidney Sugar's employee and you will be part of the union. When I went to work, I was automatically put in a position that was an upgrade from the starting pay of $15.67. The position I was put in, I believe, was $19.37 an hour. Yes, I gave up that money. Yes, I did. I regret it somewhat, but it's what had to be done because of the things I was going through, unfortunately. With this job, since it's union, you're locked into your position and your shift. From what I hear, I got on a really good shift. There's A, B, C, and D shifts. Since it's rotating, someone's always working, someone's always off. I got on B shift, which has a really, really good foreman and really, really good people to work with. And had I worked the whole, what they call campaign, which is from September to March, I would be guaranteed my position and guaranteed my shift to come back next year. My position was what is called a filter operator, and I would be in what is called the panel room. The panel room is like the computer central station that runs the whole beet side of the factory. There's a beet end of the factory and there's the sugar end. The beet end is where the beets come in and is processed. And then the sugar end, you have to wear hairnets, all kinds of stuff. I'm not sure, I didn't get a tour of that section, but the beet end, you do have to wear a hard hat, you have to wear safety glasses, earplugs, and you're supposed to wear steel-toed boots. It's a good job. You guys, if you travel, oh, another thing about this job, it's considered a farm job, seasonal farm job. I forget exactly what they called it. I'm so sorry. But in orientation, the unemployment woman was in there, and as soon as you are laid off at the end of the campaign, you file for unemployment and you can get unemployment. So if you travel and you do this kind of lifestyle, you work 5 to 6 months out of the year, bank a lot of money, and then you can file unemployment. I'm not sure how long that unemployment lasts. It's accumulative, so I'm not sure. Another thing about the job coming in through Express Employment is that they paid for your hotel room. You didn't even have to stay in a camper in the cold. You got a hotel room the whole time paid for. It's a golden opportunity. I really regret that I didn't stay, but again, for my own sanity, my own personal reasons, unfortunately, I was the one that had to leave. It's kind of upsetting. I was the one that found the job. Anyway, I said I wasn't going to go into it. Gosh, okay. Anyway, enough of that. I didn't stay. I came back. I got back Tuesday morning, and I left Tuesday evening for a job with my transport company, and I've been driving nonstop since, and that's all I want to do is drive. Okay, let's change the subject now because my personal issues are upsetting me right now. So I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you're not too disappointed in me for not finishing the job. I know you guys wanted to see Montana. However, Sidney, Montana is in the flat part. It's basically on the North Dakota border, so it's not real mountainous or scenic. So hopefully you're not too disappointed that I didn't get to show you things, and that you're not disappointed in me because I didn't finish this job. I brought you as much information as I could about it, and I hope that you apply next year. It is a very, very, very good opportunity for this lifestyle. I mean, it's like the perfect opportunity. You're working in the cold winter months, and then you get to travel in the spring and summer. You know, and especially if you're a couple, you can really save some money, because basically when you go in, they're so short on employees. You basically get, you know, put right into an upgraded position, and you're guaranteed to come back every single year in your position at your rate of pay. They also provide $100 toward your steel-toe boots, so that's positive. It's just all around good deal. Yeah, so my goal is to just keep transporting. I do have an opportunity to go into expediting potentially. That's the cargo vans that drive around, which might be a little bit better for me. That way I'm not having to deal with getting rentals, going to the DMVs. I hate going to the DMVs with this job because I have to tag and title the vehicles. If I get the expedite job, then I'm not having to go to those things and do those things. I'm in the same van, I get a bed, you know, I can carry regular things on a regular basis, not have to load my luggage in and out. You guys let me know if you guys think I should take this job. I'm really kind of excited about the opportunity. I'm trying to make a final decision on what I want to do. I need a change. But I need to keep rolling because I really don't want to spend winter in Indiana in the truck camper. I just want to keep driving. I want to keep making money. I want to try to save to get my truck fixed and to try to find a home base. So Yeah, if you guys know of any places for sale on contract, any land for sale on contract, any fixer-uppers, please let me know. I'm very interested. So anyway, I think I've rambled on enough, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the footage of the waterfalls and the scenery, and I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing. I appreciate y'all, and you all have a great day.
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. You miss the ones you know. I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds that turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, gone.